Hello, it's Monday, June the 7th, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar gained versus all majors except the yen as stocks fell over renewed concerns about contagion in Europe and weaker than expected non-farm payroll data. Non-farm employment change came out with 431,000, less than expected 521,000. Unemployment rate came out 9.7% better than 9.8% expected, but was overshadowed by the week's employment data. Nasdaq and Dow fell by minus 3.64% and minus 3.15% respectively. Crude fell by minus 5.8% to close at $71.10 a barrel, and gold gained by 1.07% to close at $1,219 an ounce. Today, Fed Chairman Bernanke will speak in Washington, D.C. The euro fell to fresh four-year lows versus the dollar over concerns that the growing debt crisis will slow global growth. Officials from Hungary commented that the country is in grave economic conditions that might lead her to default. Hungary is a member of the EU despite the fact that it is using forints as a currency. A bailout by the EU is possible. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 119.55 and a high of 122.16. The pound fell versus the dollar as Europe's debt crisis spread to Hungary and US NFP came out weaker than expected. Declines in equity markets around the world led risk appetite lower and raised demand for safety. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 144.40 and a high of 146.82. The yen gained versus the dollar after weaker than expected NFP data sent stocks lower and raised risk aversion and the demand for the yen as a safe haven. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 91.41 and a high of 92.88. The Canadian dollar fell versus the dollar as crude weakened following weak economic data and more fears of slow growth. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 103.44 and a high of 106.26. Today, BOC Governor Carney will speak. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.